trading month. Okay, this was last month's candle. Okay, I did a monthly analysis last week when the candle closed. I tried posting here on trading. I don't know what the fuck happened. Okay, but I think it's on my YouTube. You can check it out if you want. So from last month, the candle closed quite bullish, here, but I more or less called out a short into 1.27500. As you can see, we tested 1.27500 and then rejected. So, um, breaking it down on the weekly time frame, we can see that the weekly is steadily pushing to the upside, following the momentum or the direction of the monthly. Now, on the grand scale of things, if you look at this, you can see that we're in a downtrend. But I don't trade that far away again. So this area here to me is relevant price. And seeing that we are currently at an area where of 1,500 where we've seen multiple retests here. Okay, retest, 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 retest. Okay. Now if this following the way the market has been pushing to the upside, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, we could expect this momentum to continue and push to the upside. Now breaking down on the weekly, we can see that on the weekly time frame, okay, also still pushing higher highs and higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows consistently. Okay, so this was the Fibonacci I had drawn on the last time I sent an analysis here on trading view. Okay, as you can see. Now, following the monthly candle closure, we could expect this price to more or less continue the bullish move. But still expect a slight pullback, continuation of this bearish momentum for the week. So, um, looking at the weekly candles here now, we can see that last week we rejected 1.27500, an area that more or less the monthly candle broke above. Okay, and now we've tested it. Now this candle could still push to the downside a bit, but I'll be wary about that because you can see if you're looking at the week here on the weekly time frame, you can see that from prior weeks or prior selling weeks, we really didn't have large bullish weeks or weeks from the downside here. But this week here now clearly shows us that okay, the market is now rejecting this area, and we could probably see a reversal. But a lot of things have to come into play, like the daily direction. Now, looking at the daily, we can see that the daily, though it's um, straight up bullish. Okay, we could do this on the daily time frame. See that straight up bullish. Okay, bless me. So, but looking at the way the market has been trading since last week, we're seeing uh, resistance. Okay, resistance, resistance. So unless the price trades above any of this resistance, this um, resistance here, which are basically structures on the 4 hour time frame. Let me just pull up the 4 hour time frame. So you can see the structural pattern on the 4 hour time frame is making lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, just like that. So I'm waiting for price to trade above one of these lower highs, okay, to then confirm a break of structure in the weekly trend direction. So if I don't see a break of structure, okay, I'm still very much looking to go short. So break long, that's that means if we break above these regions, means that we could be continuing in a bullish direction, following the weekly trend and the rejection from last week. But if not, and the market still continues, okay, I could more or less still look for a short opportunity, okay, maybe into back into 127,500. But that's why I said we have to be wary of 127,500, seeing that we've already had a long week rejection from that area last week. So uh, I'll keep you guys updated, and we'll see how it goes. Have a good trading week ahead.